Welcome to my channel today. Today I want to talk about how 71 series Detroit diesel engine works. 71 series diesel engine, that's what I want to dissect today. 71 series Detroit diesel engine, it is two-stroke engine. I've been talking a lot about two-stroke Detroit diesel engine, but now to speak specific about 71 series. In 71 series can be a straight engine, and we also have V71 series. We have V6, we have V8, we have V12, we also have straight 6 and straight 8. We have not seen straight 12 before, but I've seen straight 6 and straight 8 71 series. It is a very nice engine, and let's go straight on how it works. It is a two-stroke engine. That means within in a circle, it produces a circle by just a crankshaft revolution. When the crankshaft go to 360, every 360 this engine produces power. At every 360 it produces power. That is what makes 71 series a very strong engine. And how does it work? It has valves, about 4 valves on each cylinder. Those valves are all exhaust valve. What about the intake valve? The 71 series does not have intake valves. The intake valve, what has as intake valve is what we'll come to later. It doesn't have any intake valve. It has blower. That blower does help the engine to bring in air. And there you can see on the screen. Now you can see this the cylinder liner on the screen. That is cylinder liner. It has go round. That is the blower now suck in the air, and the air comes in through the liner. The liner, as you can see, it has hole. When it is time for the air to come in, the piston will go down, and by the time the piston comes up, it compresses the air and block the hole of the liner so that air will not come at that time. During the compression stroke and the power stroke, the air is not allowed to come in. During the compression stroke and the power stroke, the air is not allowed to come in. And also during the exhaust stroke, it is two-stroke engine. So, and if you observe, if you notice in 71 series, you notice that the piston is always long. It doesn't have much width, but it's always long. You can see it on the screen, very long. Why is it long? So that by the time it travels up, it will long enough to block the hole of the cylinder. That is why it longs, and you can see it has about, if you look at the piston, you have about 2 rings downward. It's a balance ring that help you to balance the cylinder, the piston in the cylinder, so that the piston will remain balanced in the cylinder. The engine is a very strong engine. It can be used in many applications as a generator, in a truck engine, and in other applications like in crane, in forklift. So it's a very useful engine. What I love most about the engine is the power, the ability to produce power at every crankshaft rotation. That's what I love most about the engine. It's a very simple engine, and when you are setting you must know how to set the injector height. You must know how to set the injector height. There is a tool for that you can use. And if you know how to use filler gauge, you can also use filler gauge. You have to set the injector, especially when you service or replace the injector. You must adjust this injector. If not, the engine can run away. Let me tell you about the bad side of the engine is the ability to let this engine run away. That's one dark side I don't like about it. But if you know how to manage it doesn't happen that frequent. And that is that about 71 series Detroit engine. Personally, I love the straight engine of 71 series. I don't so much like anything V engine. I think maybe my personal reasons, I don't so much like V. But I love the straight engine that is 71 series, and I've worked on so many of them. That's why I can talk a lot about it. So that is that for 71 series. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions about 71 series, you can go down to the comment section and ask. There's another thing I'd like to tell you about. It has the blower is gear driven, and there's a shaft that connect the blower to the other gears. And when the shaft is bad, when that shaft is bad, then you will notice that it will not work very well. And if the blower too is closed, the engine will not work very well. That's one thing about it. When the blower is closed, it's not open, notice that the engine will be emitting a kind of silver black smoke. But then you have to be careful about the governor. You can see the governor on the screen. Very, very careful about the governor. If you are working on the engine, make sure you lose the governor correctly and you fix it correctly. If not, the governor is very, very sensitive, can give you a lot of issues while working on the governor. So if you don't know how to work on the governor, it's better you go for a professional that can help you to work on the governor. That's that about the engine. Thanks so much for listening to me. Hope you have subscribed to my channel. If you have not, please subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye, Mr. Engine.